road, but I've been told I can't do the rap cause I'm getting too old. But I'm here to tell you I'm getting real. It's not your age, but how you feel. I think hip hop ain't gonna stop. It can't fool me. I've been too top. Well, I think it's sipping on brand new, but I did it back in 72. 72. I was cool. In 72. Way back then, seemed not too long. Back in the days when you sang a song, but the world was turning, changing all the time. You don't need to sing, all you do is rhyme. It's a poetry with the break on machine. You don't need no music with the drum machine. Just get some beats and forget it, dude. You don't need no intelligence and attitude. Attitude. That's all you need now. Sing the song straight now. Get down to dirty.
Pants on the ground, pants on the ground. Looking like a fool with your pants on the ground.
Pants going up, pants going down. Look like you got it from a circus clown. It's whiskey and water, sugar and a tea. What's on this crazy question you're asking me? This is a crazy body people ever be. Don't turn on the lights, I don't want to see. Mama told me not to come, no mama. Mama didn't tell me, mama. Mama didn't tell me, mama. Get down and dirty, get down and dirty. Open up the window, there's a man in this room. I think I'm on choking, the smells take a fume. And a cigarette smoking by the skinny hip. Yeah, open up the limit, catch my breath. Mama, tell me not to call me on mama. I can't sing that song, mama. Mama didn't tell me, mama. Yo, 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 mama. Yo, yo, mama.
Who's the drummer's one?
Obama's mama. Obama's alright, man. He got Bin Laden, man. With the seals, yeah. You niggas see himself, yeah. Hey, do you like the new version of Mama? Or do you like the old version of Mama? Knocking at the door, looking at my door, she laid out on the floor. I've seen so many things.